Hi, I'm Jeff with Precision Replacement Parts, here today with a tech tip on gasket set glass. Now this example we have here is a body first, but you can use this tech tip on a roll-pin style as well. And what we highly recommend doing is using some foaming glass cleaner or some soapy water, and you spray it on the gasket so then the things can slide together better. Now what you don't want to use is a silicone spray or a WD-40 or any type of oil, because those products are not going to dry out like the foaming glass cleaner or the soapy water will. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tech tips.